And here's I will show you how to direct message someone in Bluesky Social. Open Bluesky app and then tap on this message icon at the bottom menu, and you will directly jump into Bluesky message section. Here you will find all of your created direct messages. Now to send a new message to someone, tap on this plus icon, and here you will find your followers and following list. From here you can select our account and you directly jump into the conversation. Now you can write a message and tap on the send button and the message will be sent. And to search for a specific user, you can tap on this plus icon, tap on search, and here just type the account name, tap on search, and then select the account whom you want to send message. Now once you are in a direct message or conversation, here you can also send emojis just like so. So this is how we can actually direct message someone in Bluesky Social. Thanks for watching.